Okay, this one is just like problem number 4, but it's a shorter version, so a smaller problem because there's no distributing. And it's asking for all of the solutions, which means we're going to solve. Okay, so if you want to rewrite that, that's fine. 4x plus 2 greater than 5x minus 4. So again, we're going to do the same thing where we draw our line because that's kind of like our equal sign. We don't need to distribute because there is no parentheses, but we do need to move the x's to one side and the numbers without x's to the other side. Okay, and when you do that, you change the sign. So, let me get my red. So this is going to become a minus because it's a positive 5x, so it's going to become minus 5x. And this 4 just comes down. So 4x minus 5x. And then this one's going to move over. It's going to become a minus 2. So you can put it in the front or you can put it in the back. It doesn't matter. Minus 2. And then this one just comes down. Minus 4. You don't change anything on this one. It just comes right down. And then we're going to combine like terms. So this is where you add them or subtract them in the calculator and you see what you get. Remember, this sign just comes down. I haven't done anything to it. All right, so we're going to put this in the calculator. It's going to be 4 minus 5, and then we're going to put negative 2 minus 4 in decimals. 4 minus 5 gives me a negative 1, and then negative 2 minus 4 gives me a negative 6. So on the left side, I'm going to have negative 1. On the right side, I'm going to have negative 6. Okay, so this gave me a negative 1. Both of them have an x, so my answer has an x. And then this gave me negative 6. Bring the sign down. The last step is to divide, and because we are dividing by a negative number, the sign's going to have to change. So make sure that you flip that sign. Cancel the negative, cancel the 1. That leaves you with x less than what? Put this in the calculator, decimals, and that will give you your answer. Good luck.